Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making vegetable soup, which I use three types of vegetables. I use spinach, scent leaf and ugu. That is what I use for my vegetable. Then these are my ingredients, which I have smoked banana fish, I have pepper, I have chicken, I have salt, I have red oil, I have iru and stock meat, onion and maggi. I place my pot on the gas, then I go in with my red oil, then I added onions with the pepper I prepared, and I stir everything together. Then I go in with my iru, which is locust beans. I washed it before I pour it inside, so I stir everything together. I added salt, then I added maggi, then I give it a stir, and I go in with my stock meat. I added my banana fish with the dry fish that I boiled together. I added my chicken and I cover it. I come back to check on my soup. So when I open, I turn everything together and I add my vegetable, which is the ugu, scent leaf and spinach, and I stir it all together. So guys, I cover it here. So within some minutes I come back to check on it. So guys, here my vegetable soup is ready. So after this vegetable soup, I made rice for myself and my partner eats with fufu. Guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also like. Thank you for always supporting me. See you next on my next video.